press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The music is very good of song, girls looking very good, dance steps are good, very good, girls. Boy are also looking good, boys भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. गर्ल का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है, डांस बहुत अच्छा है, बैकग्राउंड is very good. Boys doing very well. I am not listening, I don't understand this voice, but music is very good, singer are very good, doing perfectly. And both are very good chemistry. Girls are very looking hot and sexy, and boys this hero is very good and doing very good acting. This is very good song. I like this song, and this song is very good. This step I like it. I see first time, but very good step. Girl are doing. Boys भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. लड़का means डांस बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसे फर्स्ट टाइम मणिपुरी डांस I see. बहुत अच्छा डांस लगा. गर्ल्स बहुत हॉट लग रही है in this green dress. बॉयज भी अच्छा लग रहा है ब्लैक ड्रेस में. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गाना देख के. This is very, I think, very good song of Manipur. बहुत अच्छा song है ये. This background are very good. Background shooting very good. This romance of boys and girls are also very good. Good chemistry they are doing. Girl hair also very good, cheeks, eyes so good. Background of water very good. I like this song so much. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग लग रहा है ये. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है देख के सॉन्ग को. दिस इज़ वेरी गुड सॉन्ग. आई लाइक इट दिस सॉन्ग. आई लाइक इट दिस सॉन्ग. सो सी गर्ल लुकिंग वेरी हॉट, वेरी गुड, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. This water background are very good. Boys standing this side. I like it this.
Okay, the spot is in Guwahati, not in Manipur.
What?
The spot is in Guwahati, not in Manipur.
Not in Manipur, yeah. I like this very much video of Manipur because I can't understand. That's why I am not understanding all song. But this song is very good. Music background. I like it. Music background of this song. This is very good actress of Manipur, I think, doing very good acting. And good chemistry of boys and girls both, and doing very well steps. Song बहुत अच्छा है. I like this song. जहाँ शूट हुआ वो भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये नाव वाला सीन बहुत अच्छा है इस सॉन्ग में. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग लग रहा है, फर्स्ट टाइम देखने में बहुत अच्छा, बार बार देखने का मन कर रहा है। ये वाली लाइन बहुत अच्छी, दिस लाइन इज वेरी परफेक्ट ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग।
Okay. Okay, what do you think about this video?
This video is very good video.
Okay.
I see both boys and girls are very good chemistry. I see first time this video, but I like very much. This is, I think, one of favorite video.
Can we compare this video with Bollywood?
Yeah, this video is very good. Like the song in Bollywood, Allah मुझे जीने का काबिल बना दिया. This song of Atif Aslam, like this singer doing very well.
Okay. What do you think about it quality video?
Quality is very good, but the background also is very good. But I think the background effect is VFX.
Okay. Do you like the actor and actress?
Yeah, very much. I like too much actress. Actor also is very good, but actress is very good. Doing lots of steps in this video. The steps are very good. The song is also very good. Music. I like music of this song.
Will you listen Manipuri song next time?
Yeah, I will listen Manipuri song next time, and I will become fan of Manipuri song.
Okay, thank you.